Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this internship video series, today we have an exciting announcement from HackerRank. HackerRank has announced a fantastic internship opportunity for the position Software Development Engineer Intern on site. This HackerRank company has announced this internship program. It is fully in-person internship program. And the location of this internship program is Bangalore, India. This is a 6-month full-time on-site internship for the period Jan to June 2025. Please apply if you are available a full-time to work from the Bangalore office location for the entire duration. Okay. If you are interested, you can apply for this position. And you can also see the life at HackerRank as an intern. You have world-class mentors, the great culture, the amazing people, and you will get a lot of opportunity to make a difference in all the real world scenario. And it is the right place at the beginning of your career. Okay. And each and everyone will be paired with your mentor who is going to support you the entire internship program, and they will be able to get to push your code to production and contribute to the meaningful and the real world projects from your first month. And the transparent communication is the key binding metric for your internship, as well as you have a direct access to all the employees in the organization. Also, you will always have a challenge to the status quo, enabling you to the more data driven businesses. And if you are want to know about the previous internship program, please do visit this hyperlinks. You'll get to know the previous internship opportunities and what they are saying from the previous internship experiences. You can see it from the blog post as well. They have already published it. And how to apply for this internship program. In order to apply for this internship program, you have to create your resume. Please go to the hackerrank.com/resume, and from there you have to create a resume. And this actually your entire resume will be reviewed by Hari, Mr. Hari, the CTO of HackerRank. He accepts a well-designed resume bias. Everyone likes a good resume, but in the ideal world, only your work, your skill in the resume should matters. And the design of the resume should not decide whether you are selected for the next round or not. To avoid such type of biases, we are trying to get all the resume in a single, simple, and the same format. And also we have picked the one of the best resume template to create a resume for you. So you also follow the same steps and the best practices from this book, that techresume.com. So before you started creating a resume, please do visit this particular books for the best practices, and ensure that you have to import all your GitHub projects while creating a resume from HackerRank by clicking on the import button. And also ensure if you may be contributor to any open source contributions or open source project, please add it in your resume. That will be an added advantage. Then finally, you have to come back to the page and scroll down and apply the job with your resume created on the Hacker Resume Builder format. And what are the do's and don'ts? You can see the do's and don'ts. It is a 6 months full-time internship. And is it a remote internship or it is your in-person internship? Yes, it is an in-person internship. And what are the benefits you will be able to avail from this internship opportunities? You will be covered with the insurance coverage, the two-way travel, and various reimbursement as well. If you're interested, please do apply for this position and submit your first name, last name, email, mobile number, the resume format. And the resume should accept these file formats alone, and the respective option at what date your graduation, please do mention it and submit your application. For such type of internship videos, as well as your scholarship, your free certification, your technical challenges, hackathon challenges, please do visit my channel. My YouTube channel name is Start with Jana. Please support me in this new journey. And I have curated a playlist exclusively for the coding hackathon challenges, the latest trending technology updates, scholarship updates, the internship updates for the students, for your friends, your lovable ones, for your neighbors. Please do share this information to your friends, colleagues, your neighbors, your lovable ones. They'll also get benefited from this playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more updates.